Oppo launched its new affordable 5G phone under K-series in India called Oppo K14X. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo K14X 5G features a tall 6.75-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1125 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Oppo K14X 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6,500 mAh battery, with 45 watts SuperVOV fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with ColorOS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.6 by 78.5 by 8.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 212 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo K14X 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 14,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 16,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in icy blue and prism violet color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from February 16th. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo K14X 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.